Hello friend, welcome back to my lecture on handling event. So in handling event, I am discussing about the capturing window event. So tomorrow I will discuss about the checkbox event. So today we will discuss about window events and what are the different function of window event, and window listener is used for event handling in window. So you can see here we have been lots of function which is related to window event. We require window listener as well as window adapter class. Window listener is an interface and window adapter is a class, so we can use both of them um, for handling window events. So you can see here a public void window closing. So this event will activate when we will close the window. So, and inside the argument bracket, inside the bracket we have argument window event e and system.exit 0. So as we will close the window, as we will press on the click on the cross button, then system.exit will execute and will come out from the window. So the closing window is related is linked with this statement. So somehow we are linking the event with particular statement. So we have been other functions which is related to window event. They are window closed, window open, window iconified, window de-iconified, window deactivated, and window activated. So window event is commonly used in each function as a argument. So you can see the meaning of all these functions when these functions are used. I have given here. So window open, this function will activate or invoked when window object is open. When we will open the window, then when suppose we are clicking on open function of window after right mouse button, then this event will generate. And window closing will invoked when user attempt to close the window object from object system menu. So when we are closing by clicking on the close tab or cross button, then this will activate, and this function, this event function will activate. And window closing, and this is again window closed function invoked when window object is closed. When we have when we are attempting for closing, user attempt to close, then it will activate. And when we have closed, finally we have closed the window, invoked when window object is closed as a result of calling dispose. So release the resources used by the source. So we'll write all the statement which is related to the resource closing. Suppose some resources has utilized are utilizing in the program, so they will be released. So release of resource used by the source. So we can write this type of statement inside the window close event handling function. And window activated, invoke when window is set to be the active window. So for the time when we have to set to be the window active window, then we will write this function window activated. And now see this one also, window, this is opposite of window activated, window deactivated, invoke when window object is no longer to active now. So when we are deactivating and the window object, in that case window deactivated will execute. And invoked when window is minimized, in case when we have to minimize the window, then iconified, window iconified function will execute. Public void window iconified will execute when window is minimized. And invoked when window is changed from the minimized state to the normal state, then we'll write reverse of window iconified, this is window de-iconified. So this is reverse of this function. So we have all these functions, and these functions are used while window event, while working on the window, and automatically these function will activated. And this is the list of all window related events function, and an object that implement the window listener in fact must override these methods. So window open, window closing, window closed. Closing means when we are attempting to close, and close means when we have closed the window. And iconified, window iconified when we are minimizing the window, and window de-iconified when we are converting the minimized window into normal window, and window activated and window deactivated is the opposite of activated function. So this can obviously be the real pain if you only care about the event. So all these type of the event, and window event is the predefined class, and is its object. So accordingly the event, which event will generate, so E will record that event. So we can finally we can say that window event is very important, and these events are associated with window of the Word, MS Word, window of the MS Excel, window of the MS Access, PowerPoint. So everywhere we are we and the Microsoft is directly using all these window event handling functions, and these are the commonly used window related event handling functions. So thank you very much. This is a very small lecture, and by this lecture you can understand the different window related event function, and window listener is the interface which will be required while we'll create a class as a window listener. So we'll write interface window listener, implement, we'll write implement window listener. So thank you very much. Thank you guys.